Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the watch battery on your Tissot PRX. Now if you're new to the channel and you enjoy this type of videos, watch tutorials, watch related content, vintage watches, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. So guys, if your battery has died on your quartz Tissot PRX watch, this is how you can actually replace it. Now in order to do this, you are going to need a watch press. This is a very important watch tool because you have a snap off back, meaning you need to press it at the end, and you want to make sure that you have this smooth pressure applied to the back of the watch, and also protection so that you not break the glass or scratch it. I would recommend purchasing this and the basic watchmaker toolkit where you are going to have a case opener, also a pair of tweezers in order to maneuver the watch battery. You will have maybe a metallic one, but you can also upgrade to one that does not conduct electricity. Now once again, I'm going to leave a link in the description below to all of these, and also to a new watch battery. You are going to need the Renata 371 in order to replace the watch battery. Now once again guys, make sure to take your time, especially if this is the first time that you do it. I've seen some people online that remove the butterfly clasp or remove a pin from the bracelet in order to access the back of the watch. Now on these watches you actually have a quick release for the bracelet, so you actually have two pins right here, and when you push and get them closer together, you will actually remove the bracelet. I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to grab those two pins, press them against each other, and as you can see, the watch bracelet was removed. So I'm going to also show you how simple it is on the other end. But as you can see, these two pins, you can hold them, and when you press them against each other, the pin will actually be removed and you have access to the watch back. Now you can remove the other part as well, so you can use those two pins as well, and now the other part of the strap is removed as well. This is how you can also replace the watch strap or the watch bracelet on your Tissot PRX. So it can be the quartz movement or the automatic movement. They have the same system, so the same quick release bracelet or straps. Now in this position where we have access to the back of the watch, you are going to use a case opener. So this is a case watch knife or a case back opener. And what this will do, it will actually go in between the case, and so the back case and the watch, and you can actually apply a little bit of pressure and remove the watch back. Once again, make sure to take your time, especially if you are a beginner, because you can easily scratch the back of your watch. So what you want to do is take the case back opener and place it in between the two parts, and then you are simply going to snap off the back of the watch. Make sure to take your time, and as you can see, we have removed the back of the watch. Here you have the back of the watch with the protection and also the gasket. If you happen to remove this gasket, so this colored gasket, you need to place it back on, because this actually provides the watch with the water resistance that it has. And you can also clean the watch a little and remove all those extra particles so that they do not stay inside the watch or on these external parts. Now here we have access to the watch battery. Now if you use a metallic tweezers, so a metallic pair of tweezers, you can actually drain the battery out. So if the battery is already dead, you can do that. The battery is quite new on this one, so I'm going to use one that doesn't conduct electricity and remove the watch battery. As you can see, it will be pretty simple, and the battery is out. As you can see right here, it is the Renata 371. A very important thing when you maneuver watches is to never touch this part, because that can actually permanently damage your watch. So always make sure to only work on the battery if you want to replace the watch battery. Now, once again, make sure to order the watch battery in advance, also the watch press and the watch tools. I will leave a link in the description below. And then you are simply going to put the watch battery back in, apply a little bit of pressure so that it goes inside. Then you are going to turn the watch on the other side, check that it is running, just as we do right here. And now we have to put the back of the watch back in its place. So this is where you are going to need the watch press, because you want to position your watch back in the right position. And then since you cannot apply enough pressure using only your fingers or your palm, that is why you are going to need a watch press. You are going to see a bunch of tutorials online where people use towels and 2 pieces of wood and apply pressure. I wouldn't recommend doing that. You can easily go and invest $10-15 in a watch press. Once again, link in the description below, and that will save you a lot of trouble. You will be more professional, and that way you are not going to damage your watches. So let's do that as well. So as you can see, guys, I have 2 plastic rings, one on top that will actually pressurize the back, and one underneath that actually holds the case in place. And also you have to make sure that there is no pressure applied on the watch crown or on the watch crystal. This way you are not going to break anything on your watch. And now I'm going to apply a little bit of pressure. And as you can see, the watch back is fully attached to the watch. The watch crystal is intact. I have no extra scratches, and the watch back is in its initial position. And now you also have the water resistance preserved. I also used a small piece of paper here in order to make sure that there won't be any additional scratches from the small parts from within the plastic, because there is a little bit of writing where it says 40, so I want to make sure that nothing actually touches the watch crystal. At this point we have the new watch battery installed, we have the back in its initial position, and now we also have to put the bracelet once again onto the watch. So make sure to take your time, because this process is going to take a little bit more compared to taking the bracelet out. So what you are going to do is press the 2 pins and now place them inside the lugs, so in between them. Move it a little until you hear a click on both sides, and as you can see, we have the first half in place. So that was quite lucky and fast. Now I'm going to do this on the other part of the watch as well. So also let's do that. I'm going to use my left hand, so it might take a little bit longer. Once again, the same process. And I was pretty lucky to get both of them from the first time. So now we have the bracelet in place, the back, the watch battery replaced. Once again, guys, make sure to take your time, do not hurry. If there is something that you do not manage to do, you can stop and you can go to your local watchmaker, or you can ask us on our YouTube channel, maybe we can help out. Also, make sure to order the watch battery before you actually start replacing your watch battery, so that it doesn't stay opened. Make sure to have the right watch press and the right watchmaker tools. So that was the video, guys. This is how you replace the watch battery on your Tissot PRX. I hope that you found the video useful and you can now do this by yourself at home and avoid those extra fees, those extra trips to the watchmaker, especially if you do not have one in your local area. And if you enjoy these videos, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you on the next video.